Hello everyone. If you love the outdoors as much as I do, then you're familiar with our uninvited guests, mosquitoes. But don't fret. I found a game-changing product that has transformed my outdoor experience. Today, I am thrilled to share with you a review of the Mosqinux Flashbeam. This sleek device is not just a portable lamp, it's a powerful mosquito repellent. Invented by engineer Phil Linsko, the Mosqinux Flashbeam is a brilliant combination of innovation and practicality. Look at how compact and portable it is. And see this hook. You can hang it anywhere or just carry it in your backpack. It's perfect for those camping trips or late-night barbecues. Its LED light comes with 3 different modes, and here's the best part. It's chemical-free, making it safe for everyone, even our furry friends. I've been using the Mosqinux Flashbeam for some time now, and I must say, it's really effective. The constant buzzing and biting, gone. Plus, it's water-resistant, so it's perfect for those unexpected showers or dewy nights. The Mosqinux Flashbeam is reasonably priced and offers excellent value for money. But you know what's even better? You can get yours from their official website through the link in the description below. They often run some fantastic discounts. So go ahead, check it out. In a nutshell, if you want to enjoy your outdoor activities without any mosquito interruptions, the Mosqinux Flashbeam is a must-have. Say goodbye to itchy bites and hello to peaceful, mosquito-free evenings. That's it for today's review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews. And remember, to get your very own Mosqinux Flashbeam, click on the link in the description. Until next time, keep exploring and keep those bugs at bay with the Mosqinux Flashbeam.